Hello guys, my name is Pesimark Case from affiliateroute.com. Today we'll discuss email marketing, one of the most effective tools available to help you make more sales online. We'll talk about email marketing's best practices and the tactics that will help you implement your email marketing plan. So let's dive right in. So what exactly is email marketing? If you are new to online marketing, email marketing in a nutshell is simply the practice of sending emails to a defined list of subscribers with an ultimate goal of boosting your sales results. Despite all the hype over various forms of online marketing and the shiny objects out there of other digital marketing tools, and despite the digital gurus who have declared email marketing dead and finished, it is not, and it's far from it. Targeted email marketing can still be a very effective way to drive traffic to your offers and help you win more sales, but you need to have a solid email marketing plan and follow email marketing best practices. With email marketing, you are like a welcome guest. Your subscribers choose to opt into your email distribution list. They decide they want to hear from you. Doesn't it make sense that this will give you an advantage over other marketing channels? Indeed, email marketing can be a very effective addition to your online marketing toolbox, but you have to do it the right way. Once you have determined your email marketing plan, it's time to start harnessing the power of email marketing's best practices. Keep watching to learn valuable tips that will help you get the sales results you want and need. Firstly, you need to find the best email marketing tools fit for you. The good news is you have a lot of options in searching for the right tools to help you implement your email marketing strategy. There are so many choices out there, you'll get confused and overwhelmed. But there is no one size fits all. So consider your unique situation. Determine what you need before you begin your search. Are you on a tight budget and able to get by with a program with limited features? Or do you have a large budget and you need the benefits that more features can deliver? Regardless of your needs, you can find the program you're looking for. If you know what you're looking for before you begin your search, knowing will save you a lot of time, confusion, and frustration. It will also help you choose the right email marketing program for you. I am currently using ConvertKit for all my email marketing solution, and it's doing wonders for me. I did a review video about it, which you can check out. I'll put a link on the description below. When you've found the best email marketing solution for your business, the next step is to identify, attract, and grow your email audience. It has been said you can't sell steak to a vegetarian, meaning you need to have the right audience for your email marketing campaign. Their perception that you are relevant to them is crucial to your success. If you don't fundamentally care about your product or service and what it is it can do for them, they won't buy from you. Your email marketing results will fail. So do a deep dive and really learn in detail whom you are trying to attract. Mentally put yourself in their shoes. Do surveys of your current list members and previous buyers and ask them what's important to them in relation to your offer. Visit the online forums and social media pages that they visit. Watch the TV programs that they watch. Observe and analyze what your competitors are doing as well. Then put together a detailed ideal buyer profile and write your email content and copy accordingly. Ask yourself, what problems do my audience members have that I can solve? Then give them what they are asking for and what they want. When growing your list, it's crucial to focus on the quality, not quantity. You want to grow the size of your email subscriber list, but that's not the most important goal. Think about it. Would you prefer a list of 10,000 indifferent subscribers who never opened your emails or bought from you? Or would you rather have an email list of just 1,000 fans who buy from you often and couldn't wait to tell their friends about you? Don't cast a wide net with your email marketing and try to be all things to all people. Be targeted and laser focused on giving your audience what it wants. Be bold, be unique, be original, and be courageous. Take strong stands. Yes, you will lose some subscribers who will never buy from you anywhere, but your core audience will grow more loyal to you and more enthusiastic about your emails. Once you have the fans on your list, give them the reason to remain on it. How? With valuable content that they anticipate breathlessly. Content that is so good they would gladly pay for it, but you give them for free. These tips will help you build and keep a very enthusiastic subscriber list that buys from you. After doing all these things, you are likely to ask, what's in it for me? Every single time you try to persuade a potential customer to act, including opting into your email list, is asking himself, what's in it for me? Make it clear how he stands to benefit from joining your list. And don't keep your email list sign up form only on your homepage or buried in some hard to find spot on your site. Put it clearly and prominently on every page of your site. Put it on your blog. Put it on your social media pages. Mention it even offline on your offline marketing. Look for unique and creative ways to proactively get the word out about your email list. And in keeping with the what's in it for me principle, make it abundantly clear to people why they would want to sign up with calls to action that convert. One more important thing to note when you're doing your email marketing is copywriting. Copywriting is simply the art and science of selling through written word. You need a good copywriting to help you ensure the success of your online business. Whether you choose to learn the craft yourself or hire a professional copywriter to handle this crucial aspect of your online marketing. Copyblogger has a lot of valuable resources that can help you in your quest to understand more about this important topic. It's also very important to do A/B testing on your emails. A huge benefit of email marketing is it gives you the ability to test and refine your approach so you can enjoy increasingly better results. Email marketing programs from the most basic to the most advanced offer A/B testing and split testing capabilities. When you run an email marketing A/B testing, you compare two versions of an email copy with the goal of learning which one performs better in terms of open rate, click-through, and conversion. It's important that you only test one variable at a time. For example, send two emails that are identical except for different subject lines. Finally, for a successful email marketing campaign, you will need to keep track of your numbers. Email marketing programs generate a ton of different metrics you can use to help in your quest to optimize your results. So which ones most deserve your attention? And more importantly, which metrics require action? Let's look at 3. The first one is open rate. This metric is the percentage of your emails that actually get opened by your subscribers. It's critical because if your message never gets opened, nothing else matters. Your email marketing efforts will fail. You need to craft brilliant eye-catching subject lines that get opened more often and help boost your email marketing results. Pay special attention to the concept of combining curiosity and benefits. 2. Click-through rate. Your message has to get opened, obviously, but it also has to convert your reader into doing the thing you want them to do when they have finished your email. Do you want them to go directly to your offer page to make a purchase? Do you want them to register for your webinar or your live in-person event? Or do you want them to redirect them to your website to download your latest white paper or case study? To accomplish any of these through email marketing, you have to first persuade them to click through to your email to another place on the web. This is where the powerful copywriting and a strong call to action come into play. And the third and last is conversion rate. This metric is dependent on success, with opens and click-throughs. Once your readers have done these first 2 steps, have they taken the next action you wanted them to take in order to convert? Did they make the purchase? Did they register for the event? Did they download your white paper? If so, that was a successful conversion. This is the ultimate goal of email marketing. So pay special attention to these crucial metrics. Lastly, I want to leave you guys with this. Email marketing is the king of online marketing world. While not everyone succeeds at it, you can. Implement a solid email marketing plan, including those in this video, to help you carry out your winning strategy, and you will enjoy a great deal of email marketing success. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.